Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by capturing, right now make a single master inbox page and a daily view. Add 3 core properties: due date, priority 1, 3, and status. Once done, enable the mobile app and Notion web clipper so you never lose an idea. Make sure to limit initial templates to 1, a quick task template with title, due date, and time estimate. This avoids perfectionism and gets the system running. You can refine structure after collecting real tasks. You now turn the inbox into a flow, automate triage with filtered views like today, next 7 days, and backlog. Create a recurring task template and time block templates for 15, 30, and 60-minute sessions so you can schedule with precision. Link tasks to projects using relation and add a roll-up to show completion %. This keeps context visible without extra clicks. Once these are in place, migrate a week of tasks. To test throughput, you finish by adding a weekly review habit. Spend 30 to 45 minutes clearing the inbox, reassigning priorities, and scheduling tasks into your calendar. Archive completed items and aim to keep fewer than 100 active tasks so your views stay fast and focused. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. If sync or corrupted pages appear, export the affected page as Markdown, recreate it in a new page, and re-import. That often fixes underlying issues while preserving data and restoring performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.